Hey YouTubers, I want to do a quick video and sort of remind the newcomers, new saw builders, what you need to have before you place your order for the kit. I'm doing this so that, and I don't have my camera tripod, so you know, if there's a little shake, it's because I'm holding it. These items are not expensive if you stay off the internet and go to your local dealer, except for the gun there. You need to get that off the internet. In order to get a good build, let me tell you, this just makes putting seals in really simple. You don't have to do this, but this would be great for you to have on hand. This you use instead of the decomp. Don't try to do a pressure test with the decomp because it's going to leak. And we want to get a good vacuum and we want to get a good test. So you use this instead. And you can get this from Hutzel when you order your saw. I think this was like 15 bucks or something at Stihl store. I don't see the part number on it. But anyway, this is the flange that goes instead of the carburetor. Ultra important. You got to have that. You got to have one of these. You can get this on eBay. And I encourage you to buy it with this. There's a set you can buy from a guy on eBay. Of course, this goes on the muffler. These items right here are for the pressure test. And these are like if you, well, that's for the build, and this is not for the build, but this is for maintenance. Like if you had to, you know, take out a bearing or put one in. And if you're flying high and got plenty of money, this is great for, you know, doing the circlip. But you don't have to have that. So I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying you gotta have that. Period. Okay? Alright. Happy building. More soon.